All right, I've got this loaded up, ready to go for the first time. And there's quite a bit of stuff in here. So I didn't use the bottle jet things this time. So, that'll be something to check out in the future, but it has a sprayer on the top, another on the bottom, so you can run at the top level. Alright, so it's going, and I can barely hear it, so let's see how it goes. But by all accounts, this is way quieter than the last one we had. And so I've got 9 minutes left on cycle here. And this thing was quiet the entire time, so definitely very impressive on the noise factor. Very satisfied with that. Let's go through the options here with you. There's 5 cycle options. They'll carry different times. This delay hours button, I found that you don't want to press it unless you mean it, because then you have to cycle all the way back through. Okay, so bottle jets, steam, dry boost, normal and high, water temp boost, and upper and lower level options. So there's the top control panel on this dishwasher. And we ran it last night for the first time, and it is super quiet. So if that's what you're looking for, quiet dishwasher. You can't go wrong with this one.